Imagine you're told to shut up. I hope you could watch video like shut up.
Hey, welcome. It's your boy Just Kicks here with another episode of Chronicles 254. And as you can see, we have some pretty faces with us, you know how we do. So I'm gonna let them introduce themselves. Kizubu. Got it! Apart from that, I'm gonna let them introduce themselves. Hey. Kizubu Simba. Wacha nitaje majina. Okay.
I'm Lucius. Asami.
Waka JR.
Josimatics.
Allah.
Yeah.
I'm Fortune.
You know, I said you have new pretty faces na shanga wengine wamejibu lakini wacha.
Yeah, we still pretty. Step on his shit.
No, I'm just wondering. We're not pretty faces.
No, I'm saying.
Talk to me directly.
Talk to me direct. Don't go through the corners.
Okay, otherwise, Maze, we're gonna talk about types of drunk friends. Yeah, you know, yani lazima kuna mlevi kwa hiyo contact yako Maze. Walevi wamekuwa wengi. Sasa nani tanza hapo?
Senior for 2 bedroom.
Ama mimi tu hapa. Haya, me the type
of
of
experience, bro.
No, the type of drunk friend I have.
Wait,
Choma.
Acha tuanze na let's keep. Let's get about Jalu.
Let's keep. Well, we brighten my day.
Bruh.
Only let's keep in the building.
Na kama ungaza kidogo.
Tell me wangi mwanzo.
Yeah.
So introduce it to us.
The hyped one, talkative. That one friend mwenye kimtuma kwa umse anazaenda na fabonge na kila mtu. Any story ako nayo ya pombe.
That's one friend.
Emma, do you have one?
This is a safe space. You have one.
Am I just that
She
one?
is the one. It's you.
I'm that one.
Wow. Yani anataka
She's the one,
kujua
imagine.
kila mtu.
Yeah, like hey yo, zikishika manze mimi ule DJ uko fit cheza hizo.
Lakini hapo ndo mtu fanya mazoezi za leg unapata anatembea kwa kila squad mazoezi.
Kumbe unajijua nyakababa.
That's what motivates your gymming skills.
Oh shit.
Mazee mbaya sana. Geuka Johnny Walker tu.
Mimi feel secure kwa back trouser.
Sija kwa ngine.
Peace. It's early.
Okay, me the type of drunk friend I have. The one who doesn't get enough. Yani anaweza kuwa tumeorder like 6 bottles lakini bado. This guy is dying. He's just here. Tuongeze wengine. Mazee kuna ule mwenye atosheka. He just yani roho yake ni kuona chupa ziongezeke.
Enjoyment.
Hapa namuona lakini
Na enjoyment.
kuna big shot hapa namuona leo tabia lakini acha nisimchove. Yani roho yao ni kuona chupa nyingi mazee.
No one afraid. One afraid.
He's dying but he still wants to drink. Doesn't get enough.
Hey. No masala.
No, yeah.
Asami, hebu tuambie mabeshte zako.
I don't have drunk friends.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
Oh, so you're that drunk
Like
friend.
actually, I'm wondering.
Follow me, they don't grow.
Oh shit. This how you gonna do me?
Wow. Really?
What?
Check it.
I'm a head out. You understand? Fine.
Already
Going way up. You're not talking to me directly.
Check it, by the way.
Why are you insisting? Why are you insisting? Niku.
Niku.
Hamna cheno tema nilimwona kichoma.
Unajua nini?
Una bo. Such positions like
close friend.
No.
Are you
Not for now.
Friends, as it doesn't have to be your friends.
Yes.
any type of drunk friend that you have umeshangaa na tabia yake. Umemwitness hivyo ndio tabia yake akilewa.
Si so funny nyinyi wawili.
Wako tu hapa.
Out of Levi.
Tunashangaa like
Wow, this is Mr. Hot Shots.
Alistair Mwakaje.
Bruh. Look at this dude.
I'm not the type of friend you have, not the type of friend.
Mimi niko na jaka baba hapa. Man of Nyati himself.
Yeah.
This guy bana, kuna kitu moja tumekata. Mjamaa kuna stress.
ile mimi drinking with people who are drinking. They drink.
Bana, kama sijui kama vunjo moyo na nani.
I have a story time for that.
Jamaa amelewa manze, kingine manze, oe. By the way, if you know a place called Blackout, I'm a hideout. Yeah, that's what it
Big up.
lakini jakabana cha history hapo mzee. Naja kama unakumbuka kitalo Arabu.
I remember
Yes,
that.
so this guy manze manze tunashuka kwa stairs, jakamba zimeshika. Anaanza kuita madhe wa Arabu manze na utashisha eti hey what's popping. Manze sasa mtoka utamsaidia aje?
Kwani anaonekana?
Alikuwa hai.
Alikuwa anaonekana sio usiku.
That one there was a violation. Personally, I wouldn't have it.
You guy.
Nifanyie sponsor tu nikiwa. Nifanyie tu sponsor nikiwa.
Hiyo weusi. We need to
So seme ni
Wait, no Caroline.
Cheki. Melanin popping.
No
Told
Caroline.
Tumelanin popping.
The producer on that one, that was a violation.
That's a violation. Hey.
Violation.
But you know, we live regardless,
We move.
We move, Okay, Josie is just that type of drunk. She's just drunk.
Hello, motherfucker.
Good day, baby.
Guys, I don't drink.
Cap.
I have friends who drink. I mean friends, these two friends. Bad decision. Every time they get drunk.
You don't understand your decision.
Bala. Enjoyment.
But if you want to
Madam
make any bad decision in life, I'll let you. Aki, we're just talking
Don't
here.
listen to them. Men are trash. Don't listen to them. So as I was saying, when they get drunk, they make bad decisions.
So now when I get
Bad
drunk,
decisions.
when
I say bad
Yo,
decisions.
when are you her? See, relax.
But
Let
they
me
kick
take
it.
it.
Let it
Let
go.
it go.
Why are you taking this thing?
There's like some violence between these two. Like,
So let her finish
someone
her
needs to
point.
sit
Okay.
here.
Let her finish
It's
her
a hot
point.
seat, man.
Let her finish her point. Let her finish her point.
When I say bad decision, it means fights. You can relate.
Mr. This is Africa. Oh.
Yeah,
Are you okay?
when I say bad decisions, I mean fights, bro. Unafaa kuacha kupigana.
Maybe sasa,
Yeah.
Drunk me is not so bad. I'm very peaceful.
Yeah, that's my worst experience when you were drunk.
When you were drunk.
Yeah. Pass it.
Can you tell us your experience?
Well, drunk friends. Yeah, I have my friend. I don't say her name. But I just to imagine, like, if you're watching this, I'm sorry.
No money can do more.
Go
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
About to go back.
Yeah.
We have a YouTube.
I have that friend who calls like her exes, all of them, when she's drunk.
Feelings now. Hey.
So I was saying to someone we meet. It's someone.
Yeah. Umesema. You're saying yourself. Yeah, you can say about you. Tell us about you.
Hey, I'm sure man.
If cheating exam was a person.
What?
Wow.
Look up though. like she'll call her exes, then she'll make sure like she'll sleep when she's in love with all of them.
I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
Like she'll sleep when she's in love with all of them.
What? What the f?
Yeah.
Street so.
No, like before I see him, lazima ukuwa shadiana na all her exes and I love again.
Mimi kwa swali. Akiwa sober sasa inafanyika.
Akiwa sober like that's when she starts.
Anaanza ku break up na wao wote.
Oh my God!
Like, I was drunk, motherfucker.
Now wait. There's this other type of drunk niggas especially. Kwanza ukijana, my emotional ones.
Unachoma bana.
As in those niggas who just get like, you know, actually both they just get emotional manze unashangaa like
emotion ni aje naambia bro manze umekuwa true. Waje ukembe bro umekuwa true. Hii si emotion.
ukiwa sober hizo sema hivyo.
Mimi sijaiko mbele kama
Ukiwa sober
Unisika mapanja, hiyo ni kuninge hiyo acha kunisikazika mtu.
I feel like you know when you're drunk you feel happy, so like you know your drunk moments just come as you can't control them as it. Now when you're peaceful kuna vita ovyo ovyo. We don't know wale wa vita.
Boy, if you don't
No, we don't know.
We don't know.
We don't know.
Mr. This is Africa. We don't know.
Azinawalia tu like
Lucy was saying something. What did you say?
all those friends who forget everything that happens the previous night.
Nilichoma.
Tulifikaje please?
Hey, she gets traumatized. They do the thing, then they get traumatized. Josie aliangusha boti de moja mazee.
Sijaangusha boti.
Now she's getting traumatized all of a sudden. She's just getting traumatized all of a sudden. Atia, haki nimefanya nini? After kuangusha she shocked and then amefanya. Sasa ni watu wa kula ma chocolate hapo ovyo. Gazetu hapo.
Dripping.
Sneakers.
Make sure
Sneakers, what you
you
put?
tap sneakers.
Yeah, but you know.
I just ambassadors you never get.
Upside down or go straight.
This nigga eating chocolates.
Check it guys. Unajua mjazoezi vitu, you know, life is all about enjoyment.
Nao wakukula kuna vitu ovyo.
Mnaona kutembea walevi. Ananipokonya chocolate.
Omumlevi.
Baya mazi surely.
Violence.
Hey.
Allah.
Insane.
And one type of drunk friend or something.
Oh.
Yeah, you know.
Well, you don't even have drunk friends you've watched or something.
Wajua kila mtu ni mlevi. Watu wana
In this 2021.
2021.
No drunk friends.
Kono jaenda kole.
She's living a boring life.
Every morning.
Kabisa, you don't have like even oh damn, don't hang out next to this one because they're always drinking.
Bad company.
Yeah.
Dadi akakwambia achana na watoto.
The worst company I've had, I think, is this group.
Best you have.
No, we all don't.
Oh God.
You just cut us off.
Just like that.
I think I should be with Tony. Hi, Tony. Hi.
मुस्कुराने की वजह तुम हो गुनगुनाने give up.
That's the video.
I see you.
Red flag.
Red flag, bro.
Yeah, whenever you are, if you're watching, you know yourself.
Again, man, guys.
Nah.
Bado cheki ulevi manze kwa kila mtu.
We are not advising you guys to drink more.
Yeah.
Drink
Don't
if you're
drink.
18.
Don't drink and drive.
Don't drink and drive by the
That's what I'm saying.
Magali.
Kababa there, the man of Nyandi.
Drunk fucking hiding himself.
Okay, so guys, so let's wrap it up. Thank you for watching.
We're not sure.
Maybe gifts for
Cheki. Kizungu imeingiana unaribu. Wewe unajua kubonga kizungu.
Really, let's you know how we do it.
You're right.
Hapa. Anyway guys.
Shit that tupo.
I don't know where the lot of shit.
Next time usikuje na pombe. Unaona pombe vile inafanya tu.
Nani amelewa?
Leta pombe.
Anasema ukweli.
Nani amelewa, bro?
Wanajijua.
We are sober.
Yeah, we sober school.
Sober is good, bro.
So,
Explain.
Well, God, guys, thanks for watching today. Wachana now, I say. So follow Chronicles 254 Instagram, subscribe hapo YouTube hapo.
Hapo juu machini.
Yeah, hapo chini.
Yeah.
Like maze, comment hapo. Your the type of drunk friends you have. The type of drunk friends you have, you know, your drunk experiences then. Well done, peace out.
Chronicles.